Hi guys, and welcome to my advent calendar unboxing for Harriet Wright Designs. So this got to me a little bit late, so it is now the 12th of December. I am just going to unbox the whole thing and post it. So huge spoiler alert, if you are getting this advent calendar and you do not want to see what comes after the 12th, then you probably should stop watching or wait until after the whole entire advent season part is over and then come back later, because I am full spoilers. I'm going to unbox this entire thing from beginning to end, and I was thinking about stopping at 12 and then finishing up afterwards, but I decided to just unbox the whole thing because you guys know I just don't have patience. I had no patience. So last warning, if you do not want to see what is inside this box, now is the time to click off and come back later and rewatch it later on. Or if you're just curious to see what comes in a Harriet Wright advent calendar, then stay tuned and we will go through it. This is my very first time getting one. I've never gotten one before, and because this comes from the UK, it did take a little bit longer to ship to me. But full disclosure, I didn't order this until it was a while. It was a while after they had already released, so I'm not surprised that it came pretty late. So anyway, you get this like really cool card in here. There's actually two of them. She double packed the card, but basically just is a thank you for ordering the advent calendar for 2023 and supporting her shop. So it's a really pretty, I'm actually going to save this and put it in my journal because I really like that. So then you got all the little fuzzies, and you got all these envelopes right here. Let me get all of these out. Big envelopes. I'm going to put this off to the side, and then we have all of these open. And sparklies. Sparklies everywhere. Okay. So once again, last warning, if you do not want to see what is in here. I know it seems like I'm going a little over the top, but I don't want anybody to get upset. So there's one, two, I think this is a 12-day advent. So technically, if you were opening these starting on the 1st, this would be like the last day anyway. So I should be okay. We should be okay. All right, so let's start with day 1. These are beautiful big envelopes. Oh, you know what I have? I got this little guy right here. This came from a subscription box. Okay, so let's, oh, pretties. Okay. So we're going to go through all this. This is a lot in here. There's a lot in this. So there's looks like a full kit, and it's beautiful. Look at that. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at pretty. So good things are coming. It's this really pretty, like, just like a cozy, it's called Believe. This is going to be a really nice kit to use in January because it's got all of these pretty gorgeous flowers with the whites and the blacks. It's very elegant looking. So there's your page 1, page 2. And your page 3, lots of dividers. I'm trying to catch all the goodies, all the glowing, sparkly goodness. You got a Monday through Sunday. I like this because this looks almost like you could just put something other than just meal planning in there. I like that she has like the full Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's nice. And then you got the icons at the top. Another, ooh, that's so pretty. So pretty. And I think that's the last page. Is that the last page? These are so thick. This is nice paper. Oh, this is super nice paper. Yeah, I gotta find out where she gets this paper. I like this. This is nice. Okay, so there's that one. And then there's these as well. So it looks like there's a Monday. This looks like maybe a journaling kit. Like I said, I'm sorry, guys. I am not. This is the first time I've ever ordered from Harriet Wright Design. And it was just kind of on a whim where I really wanted to just try out the advent. And so this looks like definitely a journaling kit, which is fantastic. I'm totally going to use this in my journal. This is beautiful. The nice big deco sheet. And then you got, oh, the smaller flowers. Very pretty. Okay, that is absolutely gorgeous. Day 1, big hit. Love, 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 love. It's absolutely beautiful. Let me get my little trash can out so that I can put these in the trash. Oh, no, we'll just pile it over there. Okay, day 2. You ready for day 2? Ooh, man. Just, my knife is pretty useless when I get 3/4 of the way through. Okay, let's pull all this out. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, so we've got all of the months right here in script, beautiful. And then you've got all of the months here in foil. Sorry, I'm so busy looking at it. I can't help it. These are beautiful. And then you've got in script, like pretty, also foiled. So that is day 2. And then we'll move on to day 3. Get this open. I'm so worried about ripping something on the inside that I'm like trying not to Neanderthal it open. Ooh, that's a fat little stack of stickers right there, isn't it? Okay, so for day 3, we have florals, more florals. So these look like all deco sheets. Lots and lots of deco sheets, but a little bit, so some of them are a little bit bigger and some of them are a little bit smaller than what we had. It's like 2 of each. You get a lot of deco in here. Ooh, that's nice. That's pretty. Good things are coming. Oh, look, there's like film strips and stamps. Pretty, pretty, pretty. More deco with people. Then you've got some numbers. This is a functional sheet. I wish I knew the names of these. It would be a lot easier for me to tell you. And then these looks like washi strips. Yeah, these are washi strips. Pretty. Because I'm not familiar with her different sizes of stuff. I can't really tell you the names of these, but this is definitely like a smaller, maybe smaller journaling, but it's big deco. I don't know. Anyway, doesn't matter. It's all beautiful. Doesn't matter. I noticed that like when you're opening up kits and people say, oh, this is for Hobonichi, or this is for A5, or this is for standard vertical, you can totally like just use it for whatever you want. You don't have to you don't have to do what it's supposed to be used for. You can use it wherever you like. Okay, so this one is a bunch of scripts like bills, day off, like tasks kind of things, and they're tiny. So oh, this is nice. These are going to fit in my week's calendar perfectly. These itty bitty little deco, this is totally not deco icons. This is going to fit because these are nice and small, so that's going to fit wonderfully. You got some weather trackers, some lifestyle trackers, business and finance trackers, and then another set of like, this seems like maybe, I think it says minimal scripts, like tasks, projects, deadlines, stuff like that, and they're so tiny. This is perfect for the weeks. Very happy about that. Day 5, oops, picked up 6 as well. Here's day 5. That's all still that same artwork. So if you didn't like the artwork, you were going to be sad. You're going to be very sad. There is a lot of it. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Oh, man. Oh, man, this is gorgeous. Look at that. This makes me want to go to Europe. Says artwork exclusive to Harriet Wright Designs. This one is called Spring Bloom. Oh, it's just so pretty, guys. So pretty. Let's see. Look at that. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This is your page 2. Just a little bit of foil on this page, and then your page 3. I like that the icons even have foil in them, and then your page 4. So there's your 4-page kit. And then you've got your deco. Oh, there's an extra thing in here. This is all the little florals. Oh, so pretty. Beautiful. Your journaling kit. And then there's this extra washi right here, which is Kiss Cut washi. I'll show you if I can get it. Oh, so delicate, but it's definitely Kiss Cut. That's pretty. That would be a nice little page edger. You could do this on your page edge. Yeah, that would be very nice there. Okay, so there's that one. Now we're on to day 6, which I'm hoping that this is like all that same artwork, because yes, love it. So now we have days of the week. So you've got a whole bunch of days of the week in a pink and a white and this beautiful like navy blue. So there's those. That's day 6. Day 7. I just started setting up my planners, so this is like perfect timing to open this so that I can finish working on my planners. This is a nice fat stack again of whatever size this is. It seems some of these seem smaller and some of them seem big, like gigantic deco. So like a smaller deco and then a bigger deco and then edgers. There's some edgers in here. There's a lot in this. Oh, that's a pretty edge right there. And it's kiss cut around all the flowers. And then this one. Ooh. I love those buildings. It makes me want to go to Europe. This feels like very European looking town. Washi strips, date dots, headers, dividers, more deco. Oh, that's pretty. A whole nother one. And a whole nother of that. That is a lot. There's a lot in here. Day 8. This little letter opener is a fail. It came in a subscription box for the Harry Potter subscription box. I don't know if you can tell by looking at it, but it's got like all the pattern on it for like something Harry Potter-ish. It's got a Death Eater skull right there. Anyway, let's see what we got here. Icons. These are winter icons, summer icons, autumn, and spring. Got a bunch of icon pages. Day 9 is thick. Ooh, it's another kit. Yay! Okay, this one says good vibes. Oh, it's just pretty. It's just so pretty. It's a little extra thing here in the back too. I can see kind of a theme with the foil. So far everything is gold, but there's an extra box here. Oops, goes that way, sorry. And then you've got all of your big boxes with beautiful foil. And you're kind of getting used to the format just like I am. So I won't tell you because you already know what this is. It's so pretty. This is way more delicate than I am. You guys know what I like. I'm more of a cartoony, cutesy style, but every once in a while it's nice to be a grown-up and to do something pretty and elegant in your planner. So, little flowers, more deco. You know where this would be good? Oh, I know where I'm going to use this in my Planner Perfect, because that one I have a lot more freedom to use like stuff like this and kits and all the little extras, because I have basically that's a make it as I want every page to be. I make it myself, whatever I want it to be. So I think this would probably go really well in my Planner Perfect. So this, oh, numbers, yay. So we've got numbers for, it's actually an entire calendar for every month. So you've got 29 days in February, 30, 31 days. Yeah, so this is the whole year's worth of, that's very smart, whole year's worth of numbers. And then 11. I imagine is going to be that fat stack like the other ones, yeah, of the last artwork that we just went through, which is called Good Vibes. Here's the florals and the smaller florals. I love her paper. And then this feels thicker. Yeah, this feels much thicker than, it's like got that almost unicorn-ish feel to it, but unicorn paper, but it's thicker. I don't know what this is, but I need it. I need it in my life. I love it. We got this one. Ooh, pretty. And then we got the stamps again. I love this cafe. It's gorgeous. Hot air balloon. Desks. Come on. Sometimes it's deceiving because you think there's more than one page. Oh, love that hot air balloon. More flowers and more flowers. This is going to be right up Sarah's alley. Sarah loves, my friend Sarah, she loves the florals. And last but not least, day 12, we're at the end, which is why I think we're safe. Like, I'm not going to spoil anybody's Christmas by showing you what's in here, because this is it. Okay. So we've got the Kiss Cut Washi, which is gorgeous. So this is for Believe and Good Vibes, which Believe didn't have one in it, so I think that's why it's over here. But there's that. And then here, oh, we've got boxes. So you've got little boxes that are foiled, like blank boxes. And that, look at this fat stack. Oh my gosh, this is a huge, huge stack of stickers. Let me show you from the side. This is what you get for stickers from the Harriet Wright Design Advent Calendar for 2023. It's absolutely gorgeous, stunning. I love the foil. I'm totally not disappointed in this. It took me a little bit to get it here, but I'm super excited that it's here, and I hope you guys like it. And I will leave Harriet Wright Design link down below, so if you have not seen this style before, the shop is very much like this. Like, the whole shop is this style right here, and it's absolutely beautiful. So if you are into this kind of stuff, this is the perfect place for you. And yeah, I'm gonna have fun doing something a little bit different in my planners this year. So anyway, thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye.